Alright, so to find out where your perch holes are going to go, you're going to need your two pieces. We're going to have two 8-inch pieces, and then you're going to also have two 8.5 inch pieces. Okay, these ones, the 8-inch piece, you're going to palm sand the front here, you're going to palm sand the back here, and then on the end here, that's where you're going to put your name just along there. Then this 8-inch one can get tossed over to the side here. Now for 8.5 inch one, what we're going to do is we're going to measure a 1-inch line here and a 1/2 inch line, and we're going to do the same thing over on this side, and then you're just going to do it twice because you have two pieces. So the way it's going to look here, just get your tape measure out, set it along the top, find that 1-inch mark, and where that 1-inch mark is, right there, we're going to just draw a line. Okay, so now you can see I have a 1-inch line there, and I have a 1-inch line there. Now we're going to find the 1/2 inch line and do the exact same thing. So I'm just going to flip this around. We'll get in there. There's that 1/2 inch line right there. So 1/2 inch is right there. Make a mark. So now what you should have on here is you should have an inch line, and that's going to be this one, and your 1/2 inch line there, and you're going to go over and we're going to do the same thing over on this side. So we'll just take the tape measure. Pretty simple to just set it out. If you extend that tape measure fairly long, we can measure both in one shot here. So I'm just going to mark 1 inch, and I'm going to mark 1/2 inch. So there you should see 1 inch and 1/2 inch. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the top, and I'm just going to make a 1/2 inch mark here. So if you just look, you can see that, inch line right there. We're just going to extend that up onto the top. So it's going to look like that. And we're going to do the same thing on this side here. So you can see the 1-inch line right there. We're going to mark it on the top. So there you have it, on the top and on the side. So now what we're actually trying to do is we want to find the middle between here and here, which is a 1/2 inch, and then we're going to find the middle between the top and the bottom. And what we're going to do for that, we're going to use 3/4 inch. We're just going to move this piece up and down, so like that, and then we're going to take our tape measure and we're going to go across this piece of wood like this, and we're going to find where 3/4 is. So if you look on there, it's not wanting to focus, but 3/4 is 3/4. So just set your tape measure on there and find 3/4, which is right there, and then mark it. So let's see if we can get close on this. So there's your 3/4 line, and there's your 1/2 inch line. What we're going to do is we're going to extend that one that way, and then we're going to extend this down so you have a plus sign. And you're going to do the same thing on this side, and then you're just going to do it one more time. And then I'll have another video showing how to drill those holes. So we can extend this line. We're going to extend this line. It's probably best to use a ruler, or else use your piece of wood, and then we're going to extend this line down so that when you go and drill, you're going to end up drilling right in the middle of that plus sign. Alright, so just do the same thing on this side, then you're done.